Hey guys, what's going on? It's Mike from Former Win. I'm here to help you guys get your first engineering job. Today, we're talking about how AI can be leveraged to help you guys get a job. Let's get into it. As always, guys, if you ever need anything, feel free to reach out to me, but also like, comment, subscribe. My number that you can reach out to me on is 305-923-8724. Again, 305-923-8724. Let's get it. Reach out. I'll help you with anything you need. Let's rock. All right, so 2024, it's the wave of AI. As you all probably are well aware, this can be integrated in your homework. I'm sure you've used it in projects. I'm sure there's lots of different things you use, ChatGPT. Everything is AI now, right? Now, there's plenty of job websites and different application sources that you can use AI to rapidly apply to jobs, and this is key, and this can really help you speed up the applications that you output throughout your day. I'm going to link something down below. It's called JobScan, so what you can do is actually put down your LinkedIn, and that'll help you generate a resume. It's pretty cool. It's for free, so you guys can go check it out as well. They have a paid stuff, but go check it out. I thought it was cool. Now, you may have clicked this video thinking that I'm going to show you every little detail with AI, but you're wrong, because on the contrary, AI is great and you can use it, but that's not all you need. And most likely, if you're thinking about using AI, you're probably just going to use that and not do anything else. If you think you can go click one button, submit 10,000 applications, and then go mess around for the rest of the day, you're wrong, because you're going to fail, you're not going to get the jobs, and you're really going to start losing. On the contrary, if you start pushing out yourself and personally developing yourself into the person that actually deserves a job, we talk about this content all throughout the channel. I'm going to link down a bunch of videos down below. Go check it out, because I know if you clicked on this video, you're looking for the easy way out, most likely. Now, if you're personally developing, you're in the fitness, you're working hard, you're part of projects, you have an internship, you have offers, you're going crazy, you're doing this, and that, and you want to use AI and click that button, that's how you do it. That's how you really start succeeding, and you start elevating, you start getting into where you want to be, because you're using that as a tool, not as an out to get out of doing the hard work. If you start doing the hard work and you start constantly elevating, then, that's the name of the game for engineering students. If you want to be an engineer, you need to work hard. It's not all about optimizing and going AI and going crazy. That's part of it, but you need to work hard too. For example, if a task takes you 8 hours and you found a way to do that task in 10 minutes, right? 8 hours, 10 minutes. The person that can do it in 10 minutes is worth more. But what if that person that can do it in 10 minutes does that same amount of work for 8 hours? Then you're really beating this, right? You see what I'm saying? That you need to actually work hard and not just take the easy way out. Let's say you have 10 assignments, you can finish them all, then you mess around the rest of the week. That's not how this life works. That's not how it works. AI is a tool you should use. This is not an out. So most likely, again, you're taking this and you want to take an out and you want to take the easy road out, but that's not how it is. Listen, if you're lost, you're struggling, you're trying to find a way, again, look at some videos, reach out to me. My number, again, is 305-923-8724. I'll help you out with whatever you need. I'm going to challenge you to start taking some action. I want you to assess where you are with your fitness, where you are with your work ethic, maybe in projects, in the project you're part of, in the classes that you're in anything you're taking a little bit seriously. Are you the best at it, or are you just a bystander? I challenge you with fitness, that, and just being your best self. Find a way to get better every day. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you found this valuable, maybe turn in a few gears in your head, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see on the next episode. I'm here to help you guys out. Take care. Have a good week. Let's rock.